The story held from the residential interior project entitled Magnum Opus Residence, completed by Kelly Wearstler Interiors. When an architect and an interior designer collaborate on a project, it's a kind of glorious pas de deux where each participant's talents enhance the others. For this Los Angeles residence, architect Marwan Al-Sayed of Masa Studio and Kelly Wearstler converged creative talents to create an unparalleled aesthetic experience. At the core of this project is an inherent indoor-outdoor living scheme, featuring a breathtaking circular courtyard meticulously paved and centered around a majestic old-growth olive tree. Encompassed by glass walls and sliding doors, this outdoor haven effortlessly engages in a harmonious dialogue with the interior. Within the residence, a palette of autumnal hues takes center stage, skillfully deployed to counterbalance the austere backdrop of concrete architecture. A curated interplay of vintage treasures and bespoke commissioned pieces adds layers of character, enveloping the space with a distinct sense of soul and warmth.